Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious French toast at home without cinnamon. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, select a sturdy, thick-cut bread, like brioche or challah, ideally about 1 inch thick. Finally, prepare a shallow dish for your batter and a non-stick pan or griddle for cooking. Now, let's create the perfect batter. In your shallow dish, whisk together the 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until well combined. For a touch of sweetness and to balance the flavors, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and a small pinch of salt. Continue whisking until the mixture is smooth and uniform, ready for dipping your bread. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan or on a griddle over medium heat. Take each slice of bread and dip it into the batter, ensuring it's fully coated on both sides, but don't let it soak too long to avoid sogginess. Cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious, cinnamon-free French toast is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite toppings, such as fresh berries, a generous drizzle of maple syrup, or a dusting of powdered sugar. For an extra treat, consider adding a dollop of whipped cream or a sprinkle of chopped nuts. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.